Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys, and welcome to another video of Diving Trader. My name's Daniel, and today, guys, we're going to be looking at Curiositystream. Is this the next Netflix? Is this going to be big? Well, let's find out. So this is a company. It could be the next Netflix. I mean, their content are not series and films like you see in HBO and Netflix. However, there's thousands of documentaries. So it's quite a niche market here. Lots of documentaries, and little by little, they're actually increasing the content that they have. If you remember, I don't know if you were ever subscribed to Netflix back in the day, but there was very little content back in Netflix back in the day. However, they started to grow it, and look to see, well, look where it is now. So this is what I'm trying to see for this company. Is this the future? Um, Documentaries. I mean, documentaries. A lot of people like documentaries. In fact, 40% of the population have a lot of curiosity for expanding their knowledge. So 40% of the population is quite a lot. Hence, this is why it's called Curiosity Stream. Now let's go and have a look at the actual product itself. Now the product itself, they have thousands of documentaries. They have award-winning exclusive and originals. Yeah, it's on demand. You can watch it anytime, anywhere on your tablet, on your iPhone, Android, etc. You can cancel at any time. But here you get to the subscription part. Now this is really quite appealing. I mean, $2.99 a month, so this is in dollars, or annually in HD, you've got $20 a year. And then if you want to go for the 4K package, which is higher resolution, then obviously you could pay these prices. So yeah, I mean the minimum price is really quite appealing, really. I mean $20 a year is nothing, really. So yeah, you can actually, without having to subscribe, you can actually go in and you can have a quick sneak peek. I don't know if this is all the content or if it's actually displayed like this on their webpage, but you do have the categories for each documentary. So if you like nature, then you've got nature. If you want things for kids, kids, lifestyle, society. So I'm a tech fan, for example, so let's go into technology. So we go into technology, and then they've just got a small sample here. Okay, so I would imagine they've got many, many more, but they've just put a sample here of some videos. Now you click on one and you can watch it for like 2 minutes just to give you an idea what it's about. So if you go to click, and then you got your typical your Netflix, it shows you how many episodes are, and you can click play and you can watch it for 2 minutes free to give you an idea of what the resolution is like, what type of content's on there. So then you decide that you want to go and subscribe, then you can go up to sign up, and then you sign up on one of these subscription packs. So let's go into the investor relationships part of their webpage. We can see that their mission, what's their mission? Their mission was to, or is to satisfy humanity's enduring curiosity about world with premium factual content that informs, enchants, and inspires. The company's profile is a market leader in an attractive and a growing industry with already a successful business and strong growth aspects within the media and entertainment sector. So that's a little bit about their mission, their profile. Now, what really appeals to me is actually the management. Now, the management is the founder and the CEO of the company, who's John Hendricks. Those of you that don't know who John Hendricks is, he's actually the founder of the Discovery Communications. So he has like over 35 years of experience in this industry, so in the television and the factual media world. So anything like the Discovery Channel. So if you know, guys, the Discovery Channel, you see the Discovery Channel. Well, this guy is actually the founder of it. So it really does give you from an investor's point of view, it really does give you that sort of feeling that you're thinking, right, this could be good. So if we go into the financials, we can see that the financial from up until at least the third quarter, because the fourth quarter of 2020 is still not reported, we can see the revenue is up 8.7 million, so that's like 83% up over the year. And gross margins also increased to 61%, which is a 59% increase from the previous year of the third quarter. So yes, looks quite interesting. It does say here the CEO did go on to say that we did have a good quarter. Our subscribers more than doubled year over year. Okay, so yeah, so this is good. So It seems that it's starting to catch up. I don't know what sort of advertising they're doing. I personally haven't seen it here in where I'm in Spain. So obviously this is an American company, so I would imagine this is worldwide. But it looks like they're more getting a real good increase on their subscriptions in the United States at the moment. So that's good. So we continue to be on a three-year trajectory of doubling annually revenue with large recurring revenues and high gross margins as we drive growth across the entire business. Hi guys, if you got this far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button if you're enjoying this video. Also, just want to take an opportunity to mention that we have a Discord community. So I've teamed up with my mate, training with CJ, and we have a community there for everyone. Whether you're an experienced trader or whether you're beginning investing, you can join our community and you can talk about everything, ask questions, whether you're from beginners, swing trading, dividends, all the stocks, penny stocks. So it's a real great community. Don't forget to join us. You can see the link in the description. So having a look at the outlook for the fourth quarter, they had initially said that they would have a revenue of 11.3 million or 69% over the year. So that's what's pending now to see have they actually met up with those objectives that they had. So we'll have a good look out for that to see if that reported. I would imagine if it's reported, the price would go up. For the full year of 2020 and 2021, Curiosity currently expects the following. So, revenue of at least 39.5 million or in total. So again, that's yet to see. And then in 2021, they expect a revenue of at least 71 million or 80% year-over-year growth. If we want to, we can go in and have a look at the detailed financial report. So we can see the revenue for the first until September 30th. So compared to 2019, there's a nice big increase in revenue, which we've just looked at. Operating losses are also decreasing negative, but they're decreasing. But it's good to see that there's a decrease. If we go down, we can have a look at the current assets. The only thing I don't understand here how current assets are decreasing, but it's not a big issue. But we'd have to have a look at why assets have they sold something off. So that would be something we'd need to look at. Why did they sell it off? But having said that, liabilities also are decreasing. The total liabilities are also decreasing, so also a good sign. So yeah, so here we can see at the price, what the price is at the moment. Quite a lot of volatility actually recently on the stock. If you have a look at the volumes, price actually is actually pre-market today is at $19 a share. Okay, so it did close at 17.93. So we have a look on the 1 year timeline. We can see how there's been a real strong big increase, nearly 100%. So it was down at $10, and so it's probably going to go up quite easily, I would imagine, right anytime soon to the $20 mark. Now, the price target on this for a lot of analysts was actually 16. So according to this, is overpriced. Whether it's overpriced or not, I still think this is going to be a quite a good company to invest in for the long term. Okay, so this is a long-term investment. You have to also bear in mind that compared to their competitors, for example, compared to their Netflix or the Disney, they have a real good budget. Okay, they have a real their production costs are much less. So they're going to save a lot of money there, and their profit margin is going to be really substantial compared to, for example, their competitors. So they're also going to work. They can also work with schools, for example. Imagine working with schools or educational centers there, where you can get subscriptions, okay, where they can use their content for educational purposes. So there's a lot of it's a real niche market, and it's going to be really interesting. So today, unlike a lot of other companies, their competitors, okay, the company is not actually profitable. Okay. Having said that, the company does expect to be profitable by 2022. Okay. So in fact, they're expecting to double their profits by around about 30, just under 30 million, 29.8 million. Okay, so to reach this ambitious goal, they need at least 79 million subscribers. Okay, so they would need that. and I think they could get that. Judging by what the price is, I mean the price, the subscription price, I think it's an absolute bargain. I personally, I'm going to subscribe. I haven't subscribed yet. I have to see if I can get that subscription here in Spain. I would imagine I can. So yeah, so this is my outlook on the company. It looks promising. And I think for me, this will be a good company to invest in. I do see it being the future Netflix. I don't like to say the future Netflix because it's not Netflix, but it is an on-demand um, entertainment streaming service that has a niche, complete niche that no one else in the market that no one else can offer. So yeah, so that's my review on it, guys. If you have any questions or anything else to comment down, please hit the like button and leave some comments down below. If you're new to the channel and you want to subscribe, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And let me know if you are subscribed to Curiosity Stream. I would really love to know users out there that are subscribed, so they can tell us a little bit about the service that they offer. Okay. Okay, guys. Have a great day and speak to you soon.